Since the dawn of time, humanity has gazed up at the stars and dreamed of flight. We long to soar like eagles, to dance among the clouds, and to explore the vast expanse of the heavens. This ancient yearning ignited countless myths, legends, and stories, fueling our collective imagination. It was not until the turn of the 20th century that this audacious dream finally took flight, forever changing our relationship with the sky and reshaping the course of human history. This is the story of aviation's daring feats, a testament to human ingenuity, courage, and our unyielding desire to push the boundaries of the possible. In the quaint seaside town of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, two brothers dared to defy gravity and realize humanity's oldest ambition to fly. Wilbur and Orville Wright, driven by an unquenchable thirst for innovation and armed with meticulous calculations and an unwavering belief in their vision, achieved the impossible. On December 17, 1903, their meticulously crafted machine, the Wright Flyer, lifted off the ground, marking the birth of powered flight. It was a humble beginning, a mere 12 seconds and 120 feet, yet it shattered the boundaries of what was considered possible and inaugurated a new era of human exploration. The world watched in awe as news of the Wright brothers' achievements spread. Their invention sparked a flurry of innovation and experimentation. Daring aviators, inspired by the Wright brothers' achievement, took to the skies in their own handcrafted machines. Each flight, however brief or tentative, pushed the boundaries of what was possible, inching humanity closer to conquering the skies. The years following the Wright brothers' triumph saw an explosion of daring feats and record-breaking flights. Aviation pioneers, fueled by a spirit of adventure and a thirst for the unknown, captivated the world with their exploits. In 1909, Louis Blériot, a French aviator and engineer, achieved what many thought impossible. He piloted his monoplane across the English Channel, a treacherous 22-mile stretch of water that had long separated England from mainland Europe. His daring feat, completed in a mere 37 minutes, stunned the world and solidified aviation's place in the public imagination. Across the Atlantic in 1927, a young American aviator named Charles Lindbergh captured the world's attention with a feat of even greater daring: a solo, non-stop flight across the Atlantic Ocean. Lindbergh's journey, undertaken in his single-engine aircraft, the Spirit of St. Louis, was fraught with danger and uncertainty. He battled fatigue, storms, and the constant threat of mechanical failure during his grueling 33-hour flight. His successful landing in Paris, France, made him an instant global icon, a symbol of courage, determination, and the boundless possibilities of human endeavor. Potential and its capacity for compassion. The end of World War II marked the beginning of a new era in aviation, the jet age. Jet engines, with their incredible power and efficiency, revolutionized air travel, ushering in an era of unprecedented speed. The quest to break the sound barrier, once considered an insurmountable challenge, became the ultimate prize in aviation. In 1947, American test pilot Chuck Yeager etched his name into the history books by achieving this monumental feat. Piloting the experimental Bell X-1, a rocket-powered aircraft designed to push the boundaries of speed, Yeager surpassed the speed of sound, achieving Mach 1.06. His accomplishment, shrouded in secrecy at the time, sent shockwaves through the scientific community and ignited the public imagination. Yeager's daring feat shattered previously held beliefs about the limits of flight and opened up a new realm of possibilities for supersonic travel. Beyond the horizon, from jet engines to reaching for the stars, the latter half of the 20th century witnessed a golden age of aviation. Jet engines, once confined to military and experimental aircraft, became commonplace in commercial aviation, shrinking the world and connecting people and cultures like never before. Air travel became increasingly accessible. transforming from a luxury enjoyed by a select few to an integral part of modern life. As aircraft design and technology continue to advance, new frontiers beckon, none more alluring than the vast expanse of space. On July 20, 1969, the world watched in awe as two American astronauts, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, became the first humans to set foot on the moon. This monumental achievement, a testament to human ingenuity, courage, and the relentless pursuit of exploration, marked the dawn of a new era in human history, the space age. Aviation, once confined to the skies of Earth, had now extended its reach to the celestial heavens. The electric revolution and the quest for sustainable flight. As we hurtle towards the middle of the 21st century, aviation faces new challenges and embraces new opportunities. Climate change, a pressing global concern, demands that we reevaluate our reliance on fossil fuels and explore more sustainable alternatives. The aviation industry, a significant contributor to global carbon emissions, is at a crossroads, seeking innovative solutions to reduce its environmental impact while continuing to connect our world. Electric propulsion, once a novelty confined to small experimental aircraft, is rapidly emerging as a viable alternative to traditional combustion engines. Electric planes, powered by batteries or fuel cells, offer a cleaner, quieter, and more efficient way to navigate the skies. While challenges remain in terms of battery technology and infrastructure, the electric revolution in aviation is gaining momentum, promising a future where air travel is both sustainable and accessible to all. Conclusion: inspiration takes flight, forever reaching for the unknown. From the Wright brothers' first tentative flight to the prospect of humans walking on Mars, the history of aviation is a testament to our boundless capacity for innovation, courage, and the pursuit of the unknown. It is a story written in the language of daring feats, record-breaking achievements, and a relentless desire to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we move forward, aviation will continue to inspire us, connecting us across continents, fostering global understanding, and driving us to reach for new heights in our quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. The spirit of aviation, much like the human spirit itself, is defined by an unyielding thirst for exploration, a refusal to accept limits, and an unwavering belief that the future holds endless possibilities, waiting to be discovered among the stars.